Today, I'd like to introduce my project for display. And the title of the project is Smart Orchard Advisory Service for Display, and which aims to improve the orchard productivity through AI, international of thing, and business model innovation. And about Display is the world's largest kiwi fruit market and exports kiwi fruit to more than 50 countries around the world. The company has built a strong global network and enjoys an excellent international reputation. And although the Display is highly successful, its orchard management is facing increased operational challenges, and these challenges provide motivation for this innovation project.
You may give me one thing, boss. On the right, top right.
Which one?
On the top right there.
And this is my fishbowl. And the main problem is reduce the orchard productivity. But the fishbowl analysis shows that the reduced orchard productivity is caused by multiple operational problems rather than single issues. For example, in New Zealand, the labor shortage is a main problem, and the different management experience leads to the reduced orchard productivity. And the cost, the rising labor cost and the high operation cost, which improve the budget, and the company don't have enough budget to pay the staff or the other AI technology. And about technology problem, which is no real-time monitoring and limited data integration. And the environment problem is problem too. For example, the climate uncertainty and the disease risk. And the management and decisions rely on experience and the slow response, which leads the reduce the orchard productivity. And about SWOT analysis. And in the Display, and there is many advantages. For example, the strong brand and global market and a strong global network. However, the weakness cannot be ignored. For example, the manual monitoring and the labor shortage and the different management practice. Fortunately, the AI agriculture and the precision farming and the open innovation can solve this problem. Finally, but there are some traits in this business, which is climate change and competition and biosecurity. The SWOT analysis confirms that labor shortages, climate uncertainty, and manual orchard management create a strong need for digital innovation. And this page shows the proposed innovation. The first, the orchard should set a series of sensors. For example, the soil or moisture sensor and the weather, soil, and so on. And these sensors collect the different data and on real time. For example, the weather and the crop health and the orchard activity. And the AI and this data are transformed to the AI and the cloud technology. And this technology will analyze and will give the staff suggestion. For example, the integration or scheduling and the decision prediction and so on. And finally, the smart orchard advisor platform will give the reports and the recommendations. And integrating IoT, AI, and real-time decision support enable girls to make faster, more accurate, and data-driven orchard management decisions. And the AI is not a replace to the human, which just give the people advances. Okay. This picture shows the business model innovation. And the technology alone cannot solve the operational problems. And the scientific knowledge, staff, capability, and continuous learning are equally important for sustainable innovation. And firstly, the university collaboration is necessary. For example, the Mass University and the plant for the research, and the staff will learning some knowledge from the university collaboration and the other partner. This organization provides scientific knowledge and precision agriculture training. And the managers and the staff will receive the training in digital agriculture, IoT operation, and data analysis. And finally, after the system has been implemented, trained employees will continuously improve the platform through feedback and data analysis. Overall, in this way, innovation becomes sustainable rather than really on external consultants. Okay. And this shows the open innovation ecosystem, and this tree in the center position, and which is linked the different the stakeholders cooperate. For example, the Microsoft provides AI and processing support, cloud computing infrastructure, and the plant food researchers will give the company scientific farming knowledge and kiwi fruit breeding orchard management and diseases predictions models research support. And the university will teach the staff scientific farming and digital agriculture and staff training. And the technology companies will provide IoT centers and wider sessions and so on. And these companies will analyze this data and provide the results to the governors. And the governors should do daily orchard operate and collect user feedback and to keep the platform can be work. And this is benefits of the innovation. And in the Zipri, the main problem is labor shortage and decision delay and different practice and the lack of knowledge. However, the solution is IoT, AI, advisory platform and training. IoT reduces the manual inspection and helps address labor shortages. And AI can improve the decision-making speed and accuracy. The scientific training improves staff capability and supports long-term productivity. The advisory platform standardizes orchard management across different growths. And the benefit is less manual work, faster decisions, the standardization, and better management. Okay, and this is the Gantt chart, which is innovation project planning. And this plan will be within 6 years. Before the full implementation, the planning and the requirement analysis is necessary, and which will keep 2 months. And the platform development, pilot, and the training will keep the 4 months. And in the end, which is evolution. And this is budget and resources. All of the budget is 850,000, and the developer budget is 180,000. And because of the AI technology and the cloud technology is very complete, so we should spend most of the budget. And the other budget include planning, testing, training, implementation, and so on. And this is expected outcome. And the first one shows the problem is the labor shortage, is a delay, manual irrigation, and different practice, high cost, and low adoption. But which aim is to reduce the water yield or improve the fruit quality, and an adoption rate and the decision time is in the AM2. Okay. Conclusion. The display operational challenges include labor shortages, rising product costs, and so on. And AI and the other technology can help companies to solve this problem, but the AI cannot replace the people. It just provides suggest. And rather than simply introduce the new technology, the proposed innovation creates a sustainable management system that can improve the productivity.
Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, Junzi. That is about smart orchard productivity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you have also identified the change in your business model to include partnering with universities, which is a really good thing that they have to do to be able to enhance, or if not implement scientific farming, right?
Yeah.
And that's a good business model actually that you have proposed there. And I can see that you made a good analysis linking your problem to your innovation as your solution, and be able to connect your business model to the other minor problems of your company.
Yeah.
And my only question here is that how do you think the company is able to sustain productivity, in this case, after they have a strong partnership with the universities? So upon implementation, how are you going to ensure that whatever learning that they have derived from the universities, they put that in practice and at the same time make those practices sustainable? How do you think that can be done?
In my opinion, the staff learning this knowledge can use it in the platform. For example, to collect data and use this data to work. What else?
Okay, again, the implementation is good. Your launching is good. The only thing there is how to keep that knowledge, how to keep that new practices that they acquire in order that they're able to sustain productivity? That's only the question there. How do you think? In your own understanding of how the system works, how do you think you're able to sustain that this is really going to work for a long term, not only for a short term?
In my opinion, because the New Zealand faced the people's shortage and the labor cost is very high, and it's just only learning the more knowledge can solve this problem. So I think the people shortage is a long-term problem. It will improve the AI and the cloud technology increasement.
So you keep on developing your AI.
Yeah, and which is cycle. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't have people.
So it's about constantly upgrading your AI.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. But I think if I am an investor, I should be thinking, how are you going to keep those people you have trained? Tell me now. So how are you going to keep those people? You send them to the university to learn all the scientific farming, and how are you going to keep them at SIPRI? That's my question. I'm just trying to simplify my question.
It's a good question.
For example, you are trained in the universities. The company send you there, you become a scholar to be able to study scientific farming. So, if an employer is spending a lot of money or invest in you to upgrade or to upskill you in that area in farming, specifically in agriculture, how do you think the company will keep you in that organization? Tell me.
Maybe you can pay more money.
Oh, good answer.
Yeah, just pay more money.
Yeah, that's a good answer. Thank you very much, John C. That's all I need to hear from you. Okay, thank you.